Hi friends, let us understand that whether the so-called notice for the multiple financial years it or clubbing of the multiple financial years into a single so-called notice can be issued under section 74 of the CGST Act. Recently, the Bombay High Court has held that clubbing the multiple financial years into a single so-called notice and that is impossible in the law and lacks also lacking of the proper jurisdictions. So as per the Bombay High Court, the case title is that Marfani still impacts versus the Principal Commissioner CGST Nagpur and others. Now, in this case, the core issue is that whether a single so-called notice under Section 74 of the CGST Act covering the multiple financial years or the tax periods is legally permissible under the GST statutory scheme. And on this issue, the Honorable Bombay High Court has given the ruling that clubbing of the multiple financial years into a single so-called notice is impermissible in law and also suffers from the lack of the jurisdictions. The court followed its earlier divisional bench decisions in the case of Messrs. Millrock Goods Earth Developers versus Union of India and Right Water Solution India Private Limited versus Joint Commissioner CGST, wherein the Honorable Court held that it was conclusively held that the GST framework mandates year-wise determination of tax, that's a liability year-wise, and the consolidation of the tax periods violates the statutory scheme hereat. And a court also rejected the respondents' reliance on the Delhi High Court judgment and the dismissal of the SLP. SLP does not result in the merge and also does not overriding the binding principles of the jurisdictional High Court. And hence, since the Bombay High Court has subsequently taken a contrary view, the authorities within the state has to follow the same. So in this case, the Honorable Bombay High Court has earlier have also given the judgment on the same issue, and this time also in the Marfani Steel Impacts versus the Principal Commissioner of CGST and Nagpur and others has given the similar view as its earlier judgments. To get more information related to GST litigation, please subscribe.